another Leetcode daily challenge. Today we are starting out new month, which is July, and the date is July 2 July 2022. And let's see what the question is, which is maximum unit of truck. The question is that you are given some I've read the question. Please go read the question. I'm just telling you what is in the question. So we have a truck contains which can contain some boxes, and we are given a 2D array where each index will show us two values in the array, which will give us the array is of box types. So they will give us the number of boxes of that box type and the number of unit per box. Okay. You are also given we have given a truck size, which is the maximum number of boxes that a truck can have, or we can load on the truck. And what we have to do is we have to find out the maximum total number of units. We can put any type of box in it, and whatever number, but the number of boxes total should not exceed the maximum limit, and but we want the maximum total number of units that we can have. So the basic idea, so I have coded for you to again, but for some reason it didn't get recorded. So I'm just telling you what the intuition is. So if we want maximum number of units, and there is a limit, so what we will try to do is to try putting up the boxes, and the boxes are of same sizes, so we don't have to think about don't have to think about the size of the boxes. All the boxes are same. So what we have to focus on is the number of units. So as we want maximum number of units, so what we will do, we'll take those boxes first who have the maximum number of units, and then we'll move on to the types of boxes which have less number of units. So for that we have to sort the 2D array on the basis of number of units. And what we have to do, for the simplicity, we can do it on a decreasing order, or if you are sorting in increasing order, you have to move from the end of the array. But let's see. But the idea is to sort the array on the basis of number of units. Okay. Now move in the array. We have to move in the array until I is less than size and the truck size is greater than 0. Okay. And as we move, we have to just add the number of units in the answer. So I've taken a vector of pairs, and then I will push up. I'm doing I've taken the vector of pairs just because it will help me to sort easily. Okay, so I've taken a vector of pair and I've added all the pairs, and at the the first element of the pair is the number of units, and then the number of boxes. Okay, because I have to sort it on the basis of number of units. Then I've sorted it, then I've also reversed it just for the simplicity, so that I will move in from starting to end. Then I will take I equal to 0 just to move in the array, and the count will tell us the number of boxes that we have already put on in the truck. Number of units is the answer. The number of units will keep on changing. So we'll move from I until I is less than the size, and the count, which is the number of boxes we have already put in the truck, should be less than the maximum, which is the truck size, the maximum truck size. Okay, if vi second represents the number of boxes of that type. So if the number of boxes of that type is greater than the number of boxes that are left to put in the truck, then what we can do is to take all the number of left boxes, and so the number of units, we have to update the number of units. So the number of rated will be the amount of boxes into the number of unit per box of this type, and then we will also increment the count. Else, if I dot second, which is the number of boxes of this type, are less than, then we can take all of them, and so we can multiply with the number of units, and we'll update the answer, our answer, and we will also update our count. Okay, and we'll move the increment I++. Okay, and then at last we'll return the number of units. So this is the answer. It's a simple solution. You just have to sort on the basis of the number of units, and you will add until unless the two conditions are satisfying, and you have to just update your answer. And let's run it. So you can see the test cases are accepted, and let's submit it. uh, so yeah, you can see we have 96.90% faster than 9.0. So it's a pretty fast solution, and we don't have to think about time complexity because the constraints are not big, so we can just do any solution. And that's it for this one, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, keep coding. Take care. Bye.